are very excited to be at our new office. One most important thing was we all wanted to be together, and this is what we have got now. And the entire team is very happy to be together. And we also have a collab area which is just nearby to our bay. And we are looking forward to have a great collaboration at Impelsys. So a happy Impeller.
I think it's great to have this new facility, right? It's been a long ask by everyone that we move to a world-class office, and that has come to realization at this point of time with us moving here. Right? And the energy on the floor is great. We have the opportunity to interact with multiple teams. Like earlier, if I need to interact with AHA team, it was like have to really go to a different office and hardly any interactions, right? That is not happening. HR team is right across, marketing team is right across, everybody is so close. So I'm really excited about it. Thank you.
Yeah, there's a lot of energy in the collab spaces here. Time to meet people, talk, ideate.
So what I say is it's a very pretty big office compared to the previous one in Suryodai, and it's really fun if the entire team from Impulses work together. We'll have a good network, and that's it.
The new office is very good. We are enjoying the new ambience, and it reduced the distance for me greatly. So I feel this is a very good thing.